Hey guys, it's Leia. Today we'll talk about solving integrals using the constant multiplication rule. The constant multiplication rule is a pretty simple rule, but make sure you review the power rule before you go on to this rule. Here is the rule. The rule says if there is a constant a times a function inside an integral, you can pull out the a and times it by the integral of the function. Let's see an example. We have the integral of -5 times x to the 6th with respect to x. First, we'll use the constant multiplication rule. We pull out -5 from the integral. Now we'll focus on the integral. We see there's a power function, so we'll use the power rule. Don't forget to multiply the function by -5. This simplifies to -5 times the sum of 1/7 x to the 7th plus c. And now we'll distribute -5. We get -5/7 x to the 7th plus c. Because c is a constant we don't know, -5 times c is still a constant we don't know. So we'll leave it as c. So -5/7 x to the 7th plus c is our answer. Now we'll check our answer by taking its derivative. We get our integrand, so this is correct. Last example, we have the integral of the square root of 2 times x to the 3/2 with respect to x. We see the square root of 2 is the constant in this function, so we'll use the constant multiplication rule and we'll pull out the square root of 2. Next, we see that there is a power function in the integrand, so we'll use the power rule. This simplifies to the square root of 2 times the sum of 2/5 x to the 5/2 plus c. We distribute square root of 2 and get 2 times the square root of 2 over 5 times x to the 5/2 plus c. Here's our answer. Now let's check it. We'll take the derivative of our answer and we get our integrand. So this answer is right. This rule is pretty simple but is used a lot, especially when the function gets more complicated. So for more help, visit www.symbolab.com and click on the Practice tab.